Hey, this is Dr. Shaw with Valley Hills Dentistry in Hickory, North Carolina. Our goal is to provide exceptional dental care tailored to your needs at an affordable price.
Welcome into the WHKY News, where it is time now for today's edition of Community Focus. I'm Ralph Mangum. Community Focus is brought to you by Appalachian State University's An Appalachian Summer. Sheriff Darren Campbell and the Iredell County Sheriff's Office have announced that Deputy Travis Lewis has been awarded the Lieutenant Williams Officer of the Year Award presented by the North Carolina Juvenile Officers Association. The recognition highlights Deputy Lewis's outstanding service and unwavering dedication to the youth of Iredell County. Deputy Lewis began his career with the Iredell County Sheriff's Office in 2006 as a school resource officer. He spent 2 years at East Iredell Middle School, followed by 12 years at North Iredell Middle School, and now serves at North Iredell High School. In his current role, Deputy Lewis is joined daily by his canine partner, Raider. The specially trained canine deputy enhances school safety and supports Deputy Lewis in building relationships with students and staff. Deputy Lewis is certified through the North Carolina Wildlife Resources Commission to teach hunter education, black powder safety, boater safety, and archery education. 10 years ago, he founded the Outdoors team, which annually consists of 50 middle and high school students. Participants train and compete in rifle, shotgun, and archery events. Students compete at the district level and move on to state level competitions. 7 years ago, Deputy Lewis launched the Archery in the Schools program, which teaches instinctive archery with compound bows, no sights. For the 2024-2025 school year, about 30 high school and 15 middle school students are enrolled in the program. He has also helped expand the program to 6 other schools within the Iredell-Statesville Schools District. The City of Hickory will offer its Neighborhood College program this fall for citizens who wish to learn about the functions of local government. Neighborhood College is a free series of professionally led sessions designed to teach citizens about the City of Hickory government and the services it provides. The immersive 10-week program is an educational experience that gives participants insight into how the city operates on a day-to-day basis, as well as how it plans for the future. For the 2025 program, sessions will be held weekly on Monday evenings from 5:30 until 7:30 p.m. beginning on September 15th. Each session will feature a different city department or function and will include behind-the-scenes tours of city facilities and demonstrations. The program will conclude with a graduation ceremony held on Tuesday, November 18th, in conjunction with the Hickory City Council meeting. The Neighborhood College program is open to individuals who live or work in the city of Hickory and is limited to 30 participants. Interested individuals must complete an online application by Friday, August 15th. More information can be found at hickorync.gov/neighborhood-college or contact Sarah Killian 828-261-2290 or skillian@hickorync.gov. With news regarding a road closure in Granite Falls, here now is WHKY's Arianna Mack.
The Town of Granite Falls Water Distribution Department will be servicing a water line on Dudley Avenue on Monday, July 7th. In order to work safely, the town will be closing Dudley Avenue between 321A and Spring Street. There will be no access from 321A to Dudley Avenue, and traffic will be detoured from Dudley Avenue to Spring Street when approaching the downtown area. Dudley Avenue is expected to be closed at 9:30 a.m. and reopened by 4 p.m. In a news release, the town apologized for any inconvenience and that they appreciate the patience of the citizens as they work to improve infrastructure and ensure the safety of staff. I'm Arianna Mack for WHKY News.
Thank you, Arianna. And that'll do it for Community Focus today. Thank you all for joining us. On behalf of Arianna Mack and Jason Savage, I'm Ralph Mangum. Rob will be back with us on Wednesday. This has been the WHKY News.